Hey everyone, this is CA Neha Gupta. I welcome you all on this channel. So this is the continuation of our question and answer series. Here we are taking few queries and obviously are providing answer for that. But before that, I have a news for you. And the news is, I am starting one question and answer series where you will be asking query and I am going to cover it through a video, on which I'm also going to share your name, or I can say that I'm going to share or publish your name on my channel, that this is the person who is asking this query. And also one more thing, that you have to use one hashtag for that. So the hashtag will be AskCANeha. So the process is very simple. You have to put hashtag and then you have to write down AskCANeha. So this is how it will be. And whenever you are asking any query by using this hashtag, obviously I'm going to prepare a video on it by choosing few queries out of them. So now you can start asking queries by using this hashtag, and you can reach to me by any mode, by Facebook, by Insta, by YouTube. If there is a hashtag that is called AskCANeha, I'm going to take that query. Before moving further in this video, kindly ensure that you hit the subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that you will get all the notifications for all the new videos. So let's start with the first query, and the first query is, I have less than ₹1 lakh LTCG from equity shares and also I am a salaried employee. For filing ITR of an assessment year 21-22, do I have to show my LTCG in capital gains in ITR 2? Or do I need to file ITR 1 since LTCG is less than ₹1 lakh? And this query is asked by Mr. Amit. So first of all, let's break this query in two parts. First part is if we need to show LTCG or not, and the second part is which ITR form we need to file. So if we are taking first part, that LTCG part, if you are a salaried employee, no matter what, if you are having any other source or something, but if you're filing your ITR and you have an LTCG income, that in that case you have to show the LTCG. So if LTCG amount is less than ₹1 lakh, although it is exempted from tax, so in that case also you have to show it in your ITR. No matter what, if you are having any other source of income or not, but yes, you have to show it in your ITR. Now the next part is, which ITR form do I need to file? So ITR 2 is applicable on you, not the ITR 1, because if you have any other income like LTCG or anything, then you cannot go for the ITR 1. So either ITR 2 you can file or ITR 3 is the right choice that you can go for. So now let's take our second query, and the second query is, I hope Mr. Amit is clear with his query. So now let's take our another second query, and that is asked by Mr. Animesh Saha. एंड ही इज आस्किंग, मैंने आधार कार्ड में नेम चेंज करवाया था, इनकम टैक्स पोर्टल पे नेम चेंज कैसे करें, काइंडली गाइड. सो लेट मी रिपीट दिस क्वेरी इन इंग्लिश. ही इज आस्किंग दैट आई हैव एडिटेड माई नेम ऑन द आधार कार्ड, so now how to change my name on the income tax portal? Well, the solution is, Mr. Animesh, if you want to update your name on the income tax portal as well, in that case you have to update your PAN card. So you have to apply for the name correction in the PAN card, then only your income tax portal will be updated. So I hope Mr. Animesh, I am clear that अगर आपको अपना income tax portal पे भी नेम अपडेट करना है, तो इसके लिए आपको पैन कार्ड पे अपना नेम करेक्शन करवाना होगा, देन ही आप अपने इनकम टैक्स पोर्टल पे नेम अपडेट कर पाएंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेरी इज आस्किंग बाय मिस्टर सिविल इंजीनियरिंग बेसिक्स. सो ही इज आस्किंग दैट कैन FNO losses be set off against capital gain income? Well, yes, FNO losses can be set off. I want to clear one thing here, that FNO losses can be of two types. One, it is showing as a business income or losses, and the second is speculative income or losses. So if you're taking it as a business gain or losses, in that case you can set off it by any with any other income apart from the salary or other sources. So if you have a FNO losses, then obviously yes, you can set off against the capital gain income. So this is the solution of your query. I hope Mr. Civil Engineering Basics, this query is sorted. So this is all about today's session about the question answer round. So now what you have to do is, you just have to ask your query by using the hashtag AskCANeha. But one more thing I want to clear here, that 31st October is the last date. So whatever query I am receiving till 31st October, obviously I'm going to make a video on it, and I'm keep on doing these things up till 31st October. After that, you can still ask the queries, but you can use it without hashtag. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe for my channel, and also share with your friends, your family circle, so that they will also understand that what are the exactly possible solutions for the long-term capital gain, short-term capital gain, how to treat everything. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.